In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send a Zoom meeting link on WhatsApp, whether you're organizing a remote meeting with your team or setting up a virtual hangout with friends. Being able to share your Zoom meeting link efficiently is key, so let's dive in and make sure you're all set for a seamless sharing experience. Start by opening Zoom on your device. You can either start an instant meeting or schedule one for a later time. If you're scheduling, ensure you fill out all the necessary details like the date, time, and meeting topic. Once your meeting is set, focus on capturing that all-important meeting link you'll be sharing on WhatsApp. Next, you'll want to obtain your meeting link. There are a couple of ways to do this. If you're in a hurry, simply click on the invite button once your meeting is underway, and you'll find an option to copy the meeting link from there. Alternatively, if you're preparing ahead of time, locate the meeting link within the Meetings tab on Zoom. This holds all your scheduled meetings, making it easy to access and copy the necessary link. Now, it's time to hop over to WhatsApp. Depending on your preference and device, you can use WhatsApp on your phone or desktop. If you're using the desktop version, make sure you've already set up WhatsApp Web for a seamless transition from Zoom to WhatsApp. With WhatsApp open, decide who you want to send the meeting link to. This could be an individual contact or a group chat that includes multiple participants. Navigate to the chat you have in mind. This is where your Zoom link will be communicated. In the chat box, paste the link you copied earlier. On most devices, this is as simple as right-clicking and selecting Paste, or using a keyboard shortcut like Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Once you've pasted the Zoom meeting link into the message box, take a moment to consider adding a short introductory message. It's a nice touch to explain what the link is for, helping to ensure that recipients know exactly why you're reaching out. Finally, hit send. Your Zoom meeting link is now on its way to your chosen contact or group, ready to be used when your meeting time arrives. This straightforward process ensures that all invitees have easy access to join your meeting with just a click. By following these clear steps, you're well on your way to mastering the art of sharing Zoom meeting links via WhatsApp. It's a small task, but one that greatly enhances connectivity and communication in our increasingly digital world. Thanks for tuning in.